Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. Hey you guys, if you're new here, welcome and welcome to my little world, my little YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoy it. I upload on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and every single Sunday, and I do surprise videos on Tuesday. Well, today's Tuesday. Surprise. I got my Boxycharm premium in the mail today, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So if you would like to watch and you want to see what's in my box, then keep on watching. Boxycharm Premium is a $35 a month subscription box. It's a beauty and skincare everything subscription box, and you get over $175 worth of product. Wow. So let's dive into it. So I didn't get a card, but I know the theme is Mother Nature, but I don't know the variation of this box. And I do know one item that I'm getting because you customize, well, you pick one item out of every subscription box from Boxy. Like they have the base box, the premium, and the Boxy Luxe. You get to pick whichever one product out of, like, you understand. You understand. So let's just go with that one first. So I took this out of the packaging. This is the Smashbox Eye Trio. Well, Smashbox Edit Eye Trio in Holy Crop. These are what the shades look like. They're like mauve tones, and I like that. So I'm down with it. Also, I thought I had these shades in the other palette, but these are more red than brown tones. And then this like champagne rose shade I don't have in the other Smashbox palette. So your girl's keeping it. By the way, this retails for $23. And that's what it looks like back inside the box. And there's the back of the box. So we're going off to a great start because that is an item that I would have picked out if I was in like the Sephora store. And the next item we have is Tarte Sugar Rush, sister brand of Tarte. This is their Best Buds Lip Balm in Peony. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. So my opinions on Sugar Rush is that they just look like a little kiddish to me, so I never really ventured out and purchased anything from them. But a lip balm, I would get it, and this retails for $12. Let's see how it smells. It smells like floral and vanilla. So two things, both equals 35, so it's basically what I bought from the box. So basically I would have bought those two things and get the rest of things for free. So I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that. Okay, Boxy. Okay, the next thing we have is Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek in Astro. This right here is a cream blush. Now, you guys know I love blush. But do I really like cream products though? I mean, I try cream highlighters. I do like some highlighters that are cream, but it's just, you barely use all of it. And I have a cream highlight. Well, I had a cream highlight before I gave it to my mom, and I didn't even use it all, and it was tiny, just like this. So I'm just gonna give this to my mom. This is a blush, like I said. And that's the color. It has like a glitter on it. I probably should just give this to her because she could wear this as a lip balm. This is the colors that she like. Is like nice and purple and cute. Oh, by the way, did I tell you that this retails for $15? This retails for $15. So that would have been a gift with purchase because I would have never got that. But anyways, the next thing we have is the Kat Von D KVD Vegan Beauty Inkwell Liner in Dark Wave. It's a blue shade. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it yet because I have liners open, and I kind of want to do a look with this, or first impressions with this first. But I'm glad that I got something more than black. Would I have bought an eyeliner that's not black? No, unless it's the Sephora brand because I like their eyeliners. Their color eyeliners. They need to bring those back. Anyways, I am excited to get this. And yes, this would have been a gift with purchase. I would never bought this in store. But I'm glad I got it in the box. The next, oh my gosh, the next item retails for $90. And it's from one of my favorite lash brands. I really thought they only did lashes, but they do brushes. This is a Battigton brush set. The Battington's brush set. This is a powder brush and a contour brush. $90, that's $45 each. I think for face brushes, it should be $30 max. That's how I feel. So this probably would have been a $60 set, but also when brands do sets, they always do deals. So it'd be like retails for 60, but it's like 55 or 50 or 45, like 90. So this is what the brushes look like. This is the foundation contour brush. This is the powder brush. It's very soft, has gold handles, gold barrel, and it has a Battigton like edged into it. Like it's in there. It's in there. So they don't feel cheap, but they don't feel expensive. They feel in the middle. So not worth $90 now. Now, the last thing I didn't think I was going to get, because I thought I was going to get the Kevin Kwana mascara, because, you know, it was between that and this, and also what I chose. But I got the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. This right here retails for $38. It's all matte shades, and you guys know I love mattes. You guys know I love mattes. This is what the packaging looks like. Here's the back. It's very heavy and weighted. It smells like cocoa powder, but also vanilla bean. Weird. This is what it looks like. It has a mirror, and here's what the palette looks like. You saw like my whole lighting and everything. I mean, there, no. There we go. Better? Maybe? I don't know. You've seen it before. Like this 6 right here would be a palette for me. I don't know about the other 3. I don't know if I'm gonna really use this and keep this. I really might just give it to my mom. Overall, my box retails for $98, and what I would have picked up in stores with the brushes, the trio, and the lip balm, and that would be $130. So I got, you know, some coin saved off, and also I got some extra goodies. So I decided I'm gonna keep that Too Faced Natural Matte Palette and use it with my Smashbox one for my first impressions. So yeah. But the milk thing, I'm definitely giving it to my mom. Anyways, I am excited with my box. Like, my box was actually good. So I'm surprised, because I didn't see a lot of good variation. So overall, I'm happy with my box. Anyways, if you like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, all that extra jazz. And the link to Boxycharm will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to always check the description box. That's where all my video stuff is. My how to get in contact, my Instagram, everything else. Like, go check that out. Also, what's my face going to be on the description box down below. Well, in the description box down below. Just go check it out. And the videos, and my face, and the videos, and my face, and my videos, and my face. Whew. That's it for my video. I hope you guys have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this, and bye, you guys.